Hello everyone, welcome to Wealth Moves. I'm T, and this is where I'm going to document my real investment journey. Starting with just £10. I'm not a financial expert or a millionaire, just a regular guy who's learning, growing, and investing step by step. I made mistakes before, but this time I'm going to do it right. Slowly, consistently, and transparently. Continuously, I will share my real trade in 212 portfolio with you. I will show you how it is performing and where am I invested in. Also, how am I going to develop my financial future from the ground up. If you are in UK and you want to start small just like me, this channel will feel like home. So, if you want to grow your money slowly, learn with me and see how far £10 can go, hit subscribe and join the journey with me. Let's make our money move.